Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I've done so far. I've only been open literally less than an hour. I don't even know how many people showed up. It's been crazy, but this is what I got left of this box. My baby items haven't been selling, which is not a big deal. Somebody went and took all my whole blends, and then this is all I got left for Garnier Fructis. This is all I got left for deodorant. The L'Oreal Paris and the Tresemme aren't selling as much, but that's okay. We got the Gliss. Not many people have taken a dab at that. All my laundry detergent is pretty much gone. I just moved some of the hair dye. Some of this stuff is all gone. Somebody actually took my Twilight dolls. I know I pretty much got rid of them just to sell, but I just wanted to get rid of them. All the body wash is gone. All the special, everything is just gone. So, yeah, I mean, I've done pretty good. People have been buying the toothbrushes, toothpaste, a lot of it's gone. A lot of medicines have been going, which I'm glad. Some of the personal care items, the razors, have been going away. And then we got, you know, feminine products, they've been selling. Makeup removers. So, I mean, I've put a dent in quite a bit of this stuff. So, again, I've only been open for like an hour, and I've already sold this much. So let's just keep showing you guys how else it goes. Okay, so now I've been open for about 3 hours, and this is what I got left. So I've been selling a lot of this stuff. Sold a couple of my blankets, what I use for backdrops. This is all I got for Garnier. This is all I got for deodorant. The L'Oreal hasn't been selling as much, but if it doesn't sell a lot by the rest of today, I'm probably going to mark it down to $1. All my Tresemme is gone, but the Gliss and Pantene, nobody's really even taken a stab at that, so I'll probably mark that as $1 tomorrow. I added a couple more things of laundry soap, but it's all gone again. My makeup remover I just moved over here. I have some free samples and I'm just giving away to anybody who wants them, so they're just been grabbing some of that stuff. The hair dye, if it doesn't sell today, I'm going to sell it for $1 tomorrow. A lot of my seasonal stuff isn't really selling, but I don't care. You know, most people are here for my stockpile stuff. I've added a couple more things on here, and it's been selling pretty good. I added more soap and some other things on there. Again, it's been selling. I added just a little bit. I added tissues because I have so much for $1. And I just put those out so nobody's really seen that. My toothpaste, I got just a little bit of toothpaste left. Here's all the medicine and stuff that I got left. This stuff, if this doesn't sell, I might mark this down to $2 tomorrow. This is all I got for toothbrushes. These products haven't been selling very much, which is fine. It's fine. And then I got these. I only got 4 razors left. It's crazy. Just 4 razors left. Here I got all my feminine products. They've been selling like crazy. A couple, like one Amape sold, but if I don't sell it, I'm always gonna gift it. None of this stuff is okay, you guys. Sorry, my video just died on me just while I was chit-chatting. But this is all I got for makeup. The mascara has been selling really well. The eyeshadow, I have just so much of it. I might even mark that down to 50 cents. The lipstick I might mark down to 50 cents, and the brows I might mark down, but otherwise everything is going really well. A lot of those guys ask me like why I do this. I don't tell them that I do YouTube. Some of them I have been, but I'm just kind of giving that, you know, a secret. My phone's going off. I'm having people message me seeing what I have left, but I don't know. I think I'm doing pretty good. It is super crappy outside. It's raining. It's like 40 degrees outside, so it's crappy. It's just crappy weather. It's cold. As you guys can see, I'm all bundled up. I even got gloves on. So I'm just letting you guys know, you know, it's a crappy day outside, but I am doing pretty good. I'm going to finish. I'll film this video, what I sold today, and then I will be continuing making my video tomorrow to share with you guys what I sold. But husband is super happy. I think I'm pretty much making a great progress of what I sold so far. So you guys will have to stay tuned and see how well I do. Good morning, everybody. You might not be watching this, and it might not be morning, but I wanted to share with you guys what I did yesterday. So today's a new day. I'm only going to be open, I think, 5 hours. So nobody showed up. I just opened, but that's okay. I'm going to post another thing on Facebook. But a lot of you guys were asking in my post how to advertise it. Well, my area has a buy, sell, and trade of the county that I live in. So I just posted on there. There's like 20,000 people. And I'm in a bunch of other groups, and I just posted it like crazy. So I think yesterday was successful. I actually made my goal, which I was shocked. So today I have no idea, but I added more free samples. I changed the price to $1 for the hair dye. Not a lot of people have been even taking a stab at it, so maybe for $1 I'll sell it. Some of this stuff I marked down just a little bit cheaper, so we'll see how that goes. I added a little bit more Disney stuff. Some just junk. Nobody touched the tissues. This stuff's been selling pretty well. I mean, it's $2. This stuff's all $1, so why not? The toothpaste is actually all gone. I can remove that. But I ended up selling a lot of my medicines, a lot of it, which I was happy about. Cleanser, I really haven't sold very much of that, but that's okay because I plan on using that stuff anyways, so I added some other stuff to it. With sneeze, I made everything on this rack just $1, so we'll see how that sells. I added the Venus razors to this pile because I had them for $3, and now I changed it to $2, so we'll see how these go. That's all I got left. All I have left of feminine products. Yeah, so this is all I have left for feminine products. And then the Amapays. Valentine's I've only sold like 2 or 3. And then this is, I still haven't even had anybody even take a bite at this, which is fine. So we got that. And then my makeup, I just marked down the eyeshadow for 50 cents because I have so much. And I marked down the brows for 50 cents because I have so much. But otherwise, we'll see how it goes. Nobody showed up yet. I'm going to probably take pictures and make a post. So I'll show you guys how everything goes later on. Okay, everybody, sorry my kids, they're just hanging out in the driveway, but I want to share with you guys everything that I sold. I pretty much got rid of all the laundry detergent. I sold the pods at $3, the laundry detergent for $2, or the regular liquid, and that all sold. I even grabbed extras, and again, it all sold. All of my makeup remover sold. I was just going to give this away, but all of that sold. Benjamin, all of my samples, not everybody took them. I did mention them, but some people took stuff. Some people took my hair dye. I mean, I did sell maybe about, I don't even know how much I sold, but I ended up marking that down today for $1. So I think I sold the majority of it. None of this stuff sold, which I'm fine with. I sold 2 costumes, but none of this sold. And it's okay, you know, I wasn't expecting it. I just wanted to just put it out there. I have 3 boxes of the 10 boxes of tissues that I put out. All this stuff didn't sell, which I'm totally fine with. I think I did pretty good on all that. The medication, a lot of it sold. The face stuff didn't really sell, but I did sell pretty much a lot of this stuff, which I was super excited for. And then this is all I got left for feminine products, which is okay with me. And then I did sell a couple Valentines, but nothing really on this table. Since I put my price down for 50 cents for the eyeshadow, I ended up I sold a lot more for making it 50 cents than I did $1. So if you guys are kind of interested in doing something like that. My lipstick, I did sell a lot of it. I still have quite a few left, but you know what? I pretty much got it down to half of what I had. The brows, I marked that down to 50 cents a piece. And they sold after I really put them down to 50 cents. This stuff is just all random stuff. And then I have the hard as nails, which some of it didn't sell, and then that's all I got for nail polish. So I don't know, I think I did pretty good. A friend of ours brought some stuff over. This is all I have for deodorant. So I didn't sell all the deodorant. And then this is all I have for the baby stuff, which is fine with me. Now I know what sells and what does not sell. So when I grab stuff, when I coupon for it, I know what to grab and what not to grab. So wanted to share with you guys that. But all of my shampoo and conditioner sold, every single piece. So I know when I do sell it, I'm going to sell my Whole Bloods and Garnier for $2 a piece. And I'm going to sell my body wash for $2 a piece. And then if people buying so much, I might give them a deal. But I was so excited. I got rid of all that shampoo and conditioner. So that was all of what I sold. I think I did it successful. I haven't even added up, but I had a goal of $1,000 and I made that just yesterday alone and even more. So definitely wanted to share with you guys on how I did it. I'm not looking to really make a profit. My good razors didn't sell, which I am totally fine with because those are my favorite. But I just want to share with you guys that, you know, I did sell this stuff super cheap and it did sell, but not everything did. But we also had really crappy weather yesterday, and I advertised it on 8 different Facebook pages. So just wanted to share with you guys how I did. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. But basically, not one person really saw my sign out. I just made it where I had it on Facebook and I posted it in several groups that I'm in, and that's how people saw it. So I was pretty excited about that. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys again when I do another rummage sale, which will probably be at the end of summer. So see you guys later. Bye-bye.